You know what they say, right? Location is everything. And this home is practically located next to Coral Springs' new downtown city center called Cornerstone. Imagine having a rooftop bar, taco craft, and Gary Rack's farmhouse kitchen practically in your backyard. Let's go take a closer look.
This stunning home is perfectly positioned in a quiet cul-de-sac, offering you a massive pie-shaped lot. This no-HOA community is a rare find, giving you the freedom to enjoy your property without any restrictions.
Step inside a home that's incredibly clean and move-in ready. This kitchen is a shed stream with tons of storage space and beautiful stone countertops.
The patio has also been converted into additional living space, all completed to code, giving you the extra room to spread out and enjoy.
Let's talk about this backyard because it is so big that you can fit a pool, maybe two. Actually, you can fit 3 back here. Of course, you're not gonna have 3 pools, but this backyard is your perfect slate to create your own personal oasis to entertain family and friends.
And there you have it, a home with no HOA, so much potential, and at a great location near downtown Coral Springs.
Thank you for spending some time today to watch this video tour. If you'd like to see more like it, hit the subscribe button and notification bell. And if you'd like to see this house, reach out to the Homes by Cusi team because one of them will love to show it to you.